Welcome back to Mumford Restoration, and we have something really cool to show you today. But before we do that, please visit our site, mumfordrestoration.com, or our YouTube channel and watch the things that we've restored. Find out what you could have restored by our team. This is a really cool iron and bronze table. I believe that this is from 1880s. And you can see that this is all iron, and this iron was painted gold. But then there is all bronze, and this bronze has gone to full-on verdigris. So it has converted, it's tarnished, as we say, all the way to verdigris. And so now the customer's trying to decide, should we keep the verdigris and then do powder coating of the metal? And so we might go to the metal being a gold color, a muted gold as it was originally. And then should we keep the verdigris, or should we brighten the bronze, or go to oil rub bronze? So be sure to watch for the next video of what our customer decides on this piece. This is a solid copper bird bath made by an artist, and it has the symbol here either of pi or of his signature. This is all carbon steel iron, and then this is solid copper on the top. You can see it also has gone to full verdigris. So wait till you see what that iron looks like powder coated to some color that the customer will be thrilled with, and then this goes to satin polished copper. It will be beautiful. Now obviously if we polish it to copper, it's going to start the tarnishing process again and go all the way back to verdigris. So is that what the customer wants? We have to find out. So be sure to watch. Thank you. Today we're looking at the finished product of a really cool European metal table that has a ram's head and it has a powder coated base. And so you can see that we've gone back to kind of this textured metal as it was originally. It has kind of a gold greenish look, but then we've left all the verdigris, because this is actual bronze that has gone all the way to verdigris. And we thought, well gosh, it would look cool to preserve that, because I think it's going to be used in exterior again outside as a patio table. So obviously it can have glass or marble sat in there, but we have come to, how do you say, keep that original look, which is so neat. It has the perfect combination of verdigris from age. So we protected that while we sanded and powder coated and finished the rest of it to look like the similar as it was. And you see even the little medallions are bronze as well. So that's pretty cool. Same customer has this piece, which has a solid copper top. It was made by an artist, and his initials are right here. It looks like TT, and this is obviously carbon steel. It was totally rusty. So what we did was sandblast and powder coat again, and put on the customer's color selection, which is just a light gray, and it's going to be again a bird bath outside. And we wanted to bring the copper back from the verdigris to start that whole process over again. So this is going to be, how do you say, restarting the entropy. So we put this outside of the customer's house, and eventually it starts to take on the copper diminished satin look, and then it goes to the tarnish, and then it goes to fully into the verdigris so that they'll match. So we thought we would try both of those. We're excited for the customer to see them. Thanks for watching.